Once you have understood the double entries, now I'm gonna show you how to post the double entries for the electricity bill, the accrued expense in Sage 50 accounts. So this is what I've already created a company, New Lick Limited, and I have also created a supplier and Power Limited. So the first step is gonna be, let me just show you again. The first step is gonna be, we're gonna post the 3 journal entries at the end of each month on 28th of February, 31st of March, and 30th of April. The figure is going to be 2933.33. Okay, so to post the journal entries, as you know, you need to come to the nominal codes module and you need to go here in the journal entry section. Okay, so let's put the reference. So reference is going to be, it's not mandatory, you can put anything what you like. So I'm going to put the electricity bill, elect bill, um, Feb 18, and date is going to be 28th of February 2018, and nominal code is going to be 7. All the indirect expenses, they start with 7. It's going to be 72 something, yeah, 7200. And I'm gonna just copy this one and paste it here. It's gonna be T9s because the entry is outside the scope of VAT. Yeah. Okay, the amount is 2933.33. It's gonna be debit, and then we're gonna credit the accruals. So 2109, and this is electricity bill February 2018, 2933.33. So once you have posted this one, let me just customize this window. So we don't need any X reference, we don't need any departments, but we do need details. Before saving, I can memorize this one and memorize this journal entry. So click on memorize, put file name is going to be accrual, so accrual journal, and then save it. So once you have done it, just save. So let me show you where it hits the financial reports. So accrued expenses, so electricity bill 2933.33, and then if I show you, if I go to current assets, I'm going to show the balance under the accruals. So accrual is coming on the credit side. Okay, then same entry for March. So I'm going to click on recall. This is accrual. Just seeing this one here, March, and the date is going to be 31st of March 2018. Okay, and this one is going to be March and March. Okay, the same figure 2933.33, and you can just click on save. So what happens here is, as you can see, this is coming under the current liabilities accruals, and the cumulative liability is now 5866.66. Let's do the loss entry for the quarter. So I will again click on recall accruals. So this is going to be April 30th of April 2018, and I'm just gonna copy this one and paste it here. This one 2933.33. Yep. So I'm going to click on save. So what happens here, it comes to 898799.99. So it's only 1 pence difference. Okay, so now what happens here, now the date is going to be, now we're going to do this step where we have to do the reversal. We have to post the reversal of electricity payable on 1st of May. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go to journal entry again. So this is going to be elect bill reversal, and date is going to be 1st of May 2018, and debit is going to be 21 accruals. Let me just copy this one, and amount is going to be 8799.99. 1 pence won't make any difference. So if you want to correct it, you can still correct it. And Debit is going to be electricity expense 7200. Credit is going to be electricity expense 8799.99. So once you've done it, I'm just going to click on save. So see what happens here. Both of the balances are gone. Yep. So we have removed the balance for the accruals related to the previous quarter, because now we're going to receive a bill for the quarter ending on 30th of April 2018. So the new invoice, now we have to post the invoice. So post the electricity bill for quarter ending. So we have the invoice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the invoice, and I'm going to go to supplier, click on end power and batch invoice, and the invoice amount is 04/05/2018, and reference is, let's put any reference, C152. We don't need any X reference, so just customize this one. We don't need any department, we don't need any product reference, no cost code, and details. Yeah, and this one is going to be elect bill quarter ending 30th April 2018, and the amount is 9425. 9425, and this is VAT 11310. Yep. So once you've done it, you just need to click on save. That's it. So this balance is there. Let's say you paid the bill on 10th of May. So how would you pay the bill? So you just need to go to supplier, click on end power. You paid the bill with the from the bank, and you paid the bill on, let's say, on 10th of May. So 10th of May 2018, and the amount is going to be 11310. And if you just click on pay in full, so it will be taken in full. Yeah, and then save. That's it. So this is how you post the accruals in your Sage 50 accounts. Let me just show you a couple of reports. So it is going to explain you why we need to post the accruals. So if I click on profit and loss and click on preview, let me run the profit and loss for February. So see this one. So you have charged the expense related to that period in the month of February. So what if we had not posted the accrual for February for electricity bill? So it means the profit for that period for February would have been overstated, because there wouldn't be any electricity bill. And because we have not received the bill until 4th of May 2018. But under the accrual expense, under the accrual concept, it says we have to record the expense in the period to which it relates, whether you have paid it or not. So this is why we have to take the portion of the expense and post the expense in the relevant period. Yep. So you can run the profit and loss for the each month, February, March, and April, and you will see the same expense posted in the relevant period. So if now there is a question, why can't we go back and change the the expense? Because now on 4th of May, when we have received the bill, we need to go back and change the expense. Yep. But the thing is, once the month is gone, you have closed the month end. You have posted all the journal entries, you have made your management accounts, you have done everything. It may not be possible for you to go back and change the expenses. Yeah. So once the month end is gone, once the month end is finalized, you have done your reports, you have done your management accounts. it may not be possible for you to go back and change the expenses. So this is gonna be the provision. You have to do it every month. So expenses may be a little bit overstated or understated, but this is acceptable. This is what you need to do. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this window. Let me show you the profit and loss for the for May. So just click on May and May. Okay, so this one has is appearing here 625.01 because the thing is this the invoice amount was 625.01. If I show you the journal, you will see what's happening here. Okay, so this is the journal you posted on 1st of May. It shows amount 879.99, and this is the actual electricity bill you paid. So what the provision you have made for the electricity bill, our actual bill is little bit more than that. Yeah. So this is why you haven't posted the journal for the May, but it's still showing there. So you can say this is what is overstated. The expense is a little bit overstated in the month of May, but this is what you need to do with the accruals. Yeah. So the expense may be overstated or little bit understated, but this is what is going to happen with the accrual, because you cannot have the exact estimate of the expense. So this is what we did the provision, and this is what we had the actual bill. Yeah. So this is how you need to do the accruals in Sage 50 accounts. If it is bit difficult to understand, you need to watch the video a couple of times. If you still can't understand, what you need to do is you can get back to me. This is my email address. So if you still have any question, I'm planning to do a couple of more videos on accruals, with the over provision and with the under provision of the accrual expense. Yep. Thank you very much for watching the video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Accounting Online. Thank you. Bye.